Back to videoing them outside. Gidget is right there. Gidget, go potty. Did you already go? Morning routine. You brat. Gidget is always wound up in the morning. Mocha is doing her normal thing. Is being her Mocha. And then after this, we go inside, Dad. Come on, girls. Come on. And I give them their breakfast. Gidget, come on. Come on, Moke. Well, maybe Gidget has to go potty again. But, yep, Gidget's over there going potty like a good girl. And no, Daddy, they do not potty in the house at all. Gidge, you done? Good girl. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on. Mocha, come on, pretty girl. Come on. I'm going to give them something very special this morning. Well, mostly it will be Gidget right now. I do this once in a while for her.